Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and here with me is the Dramamine Less Drowsy. This has been a game changer for my travels. Really, I put this little travel container in my purse with me at all times because you just never know when that car sickness feeling is going to come, especially if you live in a place that's really hilly or if you're traveling to a place like that. I take it before you travel if possible. It works really well. Also, it doesn't make you so sleepy. I can still be able to enjoy my friends and still be able to enjoy the activities that I have planned for the day. It's also a child-proof cap. That's important for me because sometimes I have the little ones or pets around. Also, they're easy to swallow. You want a pill that's nice and small and easy to ingest. So for all those reasons, I keep these Dramamine pills with me, and maybe it'll benefit you as well. But that's just my point of view.